Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco in a Badlands trim with the Sasquatch package and powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency. And the Sasquatch package gives you some big old 35-inch tires with beadlock rims, as well as having some bigger fender flares. You've got the modular steel bumper up front, skid plate down below. You have rock sliders down below along the edge of the vehicle, and taking a look at the back where you have your full-size spare, of course, to match the Sasquatch package. And looking inside, you have a relatively spacious cargo area that can't always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. You have these tie-down points with little lassos on them, 12-volt power outlet there, and underneath this cover you have your jack as well as some spare room. Then looking into the back seat where you have seating for 3 with a partial leather and vinyl interior, fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having your window controls and your USB and USB-C and 110-volt power outlet. The backs of the seats also have MOLLE rigging that you can hook equipment onto, as well as a little mesh pouch to throw stuff in. This vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your SUV. And looking in, you do have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, off-road information, which is pretty important in a vehicle like this. Navigation, phone, and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. And you do also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology, lane keeping system, and you have your hands-free phone and radio controls kind of spread out among both sides. And then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general vehicle features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you can see all around the vehicle. And above that, you have some of your off-road features, capabilities. You have your sway bar disconnect, front and rear locking differentials, and trail turn assist, which is sort of like if you're on a tight trail and you need to make a tighter turn, it will make it happen. Also have traction control shut off and hazards. Up here you do have a mounting point for an accessory rail, so if you want to put like a GoPro up here, as well as having a 12-volt power outlet or actually it's a USB and USB-C, so potentially even better for accessories to power them. And moving down, you have your media controls with your camera view. Again, you have your forward-facing camera, you have your auto start stop shut off, park assist sensor shut off, and then you have your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel. Down below you have this area here with a USB, USB-C, and wireless charging pad, so if your phone's compatible, throw it on there to charge. And then you have one of your grab handles, as well as having one on either side of the dash, so you can hold on to that when you're going over rougher terrain. And you've got your main shifter here with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. 2 cup holders and your 4x4 controls, so you have 2 high, 4 low, 4 auto, and then trail control, which is sort of like cruise control for slower speed on rougher terrain, as well as this being your drive mode selector for your GOAT modes. So you have Eco, Slippery, Mud Ruts, Sand, Baja, and Rock Crawl mode. So you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. And then moving on from that, you have of course your mirror and window controls here. They're not on the door since they are removable, as well as the roof being able to fold down. This is a soft top, so it does fold. And then you have your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray and a 12-volt power outlet inside, so you can plug something in from there. And then I believe last but not least, looking up, you have 6 upfitter switches which can be wired up however you please, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.